I said we probably gonna be hitting someone on the car.
What's up, YouTube? We back with another taste test video. Today we're gonna be taste testing.
Damn, nigga, I understand, but hold on. No, not you. I'm talking about him.
Fuck that Flakes. They're more than good.
God damn it, Brandon. I don't know if they can see this shit all the way. There you go.
They can see it, nigga.
So this is the second flavor I was talking about from the last video.
Well, I guess I ain't
This one just came out. The strawberry one was already out for like a couple of. Is it still May? I feel like it's May. The strawberry one came out in May. This one came out this month, which is June. Today is June 23rd. The flavor is cinnamon. The same. That's damn.
Bursting
with flavor.
No.
Bursting with cinnamon sweetness.
Cement toast.
So that last one says makes delicious strawberry flavor. Damn, bitch, hold on.
I'm sorry.
Motherfucking cereal box.
Is that would have hit my face, yo?
You ain't got no
That's
face.
his money maker.
Who money maker? That's my money maker.
You can pay half a penny. I don't know. Maybe I said something inappropriate and didn't notice, but I don't know. All I said was
They basically calling me
Oh
ugly.
shit, this is gonna be nasty as shit. Anyway, nigga,
Throw that in the face.
stop. Nigga, just. That's gonna be nasty as shit.
It's gonna be nasty, but anyways.
Anyway, back what I was saying before I get interrupted. So cinnamon French toast. They have a cinnamon frosted flakes, but this one's cinnamon French toast.
I'm not trying to
So it probably tastes like cinnamon toast crunch. I mean, not cinnamon toast crunch. The regular cinnamon frosted flakes. Who opened it?
Chucky Puffs.
We might as well just spend the night here.
Didn't I say you was gonna say that?
Might as well.
First of all, I ain't got no clothes.
No game
I'm
systems.
not sleeping.
Oh, no, we
I
ain't got no game systems over here. Oh, nah, no.
no game systems, no
We can go
clothes.
get the gang system real
You
quick.
want to
We
go?
gonna go get the game
Then we can
system.
go to your house. It's right down the street.
He gonna get his stuff. How am I supposed to get my stuff?
You can wear some of my clothes, but they're gonna be dropping off.
Bitch, we gonna get this go home in the morning.
I'm not gonna see you.
Nigga, I'm a germaphobe. I want to get in the shower tonight.
Yeah, I ain't gonna put
Shut up. Don't even do it. We're on camera. We're on camera.
Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. I wanna go home. I wanna spend time with the graduate. Why don't we just
Damn, nigga.
I'll reduce my labeling.
What the fuck?
It smells like. Oh, there you go. I smell it.
Hey,
You smell
You smell who?
This nigga wild.
I'm spending the night. I don't know about the rest of y'all niggas.
Yeah, you spend the night. I'll take the car, bring it
You
back.
ain't taking shit. I'm about to say, I got my.
Niggas drop them home, go get my gang system, and then you just come back down here.
Nigga, you
For the
don't know
weekend.
They could get an Uber home. What's wrong with
Nigga, I'm
them?
taking your car.
Y'all be taking your car. I'm about to say, ain't no definitely not getting in my fucking car.
You should definitely come back down here tomorrow and just spend the night. I said him.
Oh.
We gotta come back down here Saturday too. Y'all should spend the night Saturday.
That's what I'm saying. We should just spend the night.
You got work, but you got work Sunday.
We spend the night tomorrow. Just wake up in the morning and do the videos.
I'll spend the night.
Nigga, I got work.
We can pick you up
come
after
here.
work.
Yeah. Huh?
We can pick you up after work.
Shit. Shaheen want to spend time with me. That's always Shaheen.
You want to spend time with Shaheem or Fortnite?
Well, we
Oh,
come here Saturday anyway, so I spend the night tomorrow.
Some good shit. 10 out of 10.
It's 10?
This Naruto with that became that fucking game.
Oh.
It's not Fortnite, Harold.
It definitely is.
It's not.
Not
So here you want to play all that.
So you're gonna play Fall Guys without us.
No. No, don't go with it not. Don't do that.
But we're not playing Fall Guys tonight, so.
I was going to play Fall Guys tonight with him because I'm going to bed for work.
But I thought you just said you wanted to spend time and play Fall Guys.
And I thought you was gonna call over.
I'm not calling no. I was joking about the call no.
Fuck
But-
tonight. That's why I deleted this shit.
I'm not going to play Fall Guys without y'all. I haven't done it so far. Y'all play. Y'all both have said y'all played the Switch version. Well, I'm spending the night tonight. I don't know about
that. I wanted to see how it looked. I didn't play a whole round though.
I went to the title screen, so.
If it makes you feel better, you can cut on your PS5, play through the first round, and then cut it off. Then you can be even.
I'm spending the night tonight. I don't know about y'all.
Give me your keys.
You not getting shit.
Give me your keys.
This shit just like churro. You better call the fucking Uber. It's 11 o'clock, bro. I'm standing there. I'm going home. It's dangerous going on my bro. It's dangerous going on my
It's 10:05.
Nigga, it's gonna be dangerous by the time I get home.
Nigga, you live in West Virginia.
No,
I'm so lost. What the fuck was that?
What?
I'm staying here. And that's fucking final.
Eat the cereal, bro. You just wasting this shit. All the nah.
It gotta be
I
salty, bro.
see y'all rack like Peter and Harry in Spider-Man 3.
Who? I thought you about to say fucking Peter Griffin.
I did too, I ain't even gonna lie.
There's a chicken.
So who was gonna be the
who's
chicken?
the chicken?
Yeah, I was about to say who's the chicken. I said you just looked up at me, bro. You wasn't fast enough, bro. It's all good. So that means
You act like he's bad. The chicken never lose. He seemingly get killed in his life.
Peter Griffin beat the shit out that chicken.
No, they beat the shit out of each other.
Chicken be winning all the time.
I be beating my chicken all the time, so it don't matter.
Me too.
Anyway, this is 10 out of 10 too.
Enough about us talking about cops. Let's talk about the video.
Cocoa,
I don't like
cocoa
that.
juice.
Actually, I don't know.
Cocoa.
I don't really like
I
that.
need to taste the cinnamon frosted flakes too.
It
Just
tastes
to be
like
sure.
It tastes like what's that damn thing? It tastes like a churro.
Well, I ain't had French toast in a minute, so I can't tell you what French toast even tastes like. So it's still 10 out of 10 though.
No, I don't like it. I get like that shit.
You want to go with salmon?
Nigga, you let yours
I don't like that.
shit just sit.
I don't like the hard cereal. Like when it's all hard and shit. Like it's soft
Unless you like that shit hard.
and moist and pink and wet.
Yeah.
It's about the steak.
Just like cotton candy.
Shit, I like the steak. Raw as fuck. Still pink in the middle.
Still pink in the middle.
Eat
Yep.
that meat, Chi-Chi, you beautiful woman that lives in my house.
Okay, Team 4 stars.
Yeah, Goku is the best character because he loves food. Goku is
That dumbass nigga?
he's the best in he's the best in Team 4 Star. Worse than his own show, but
And we ain't going with that. We ain't going to do that.
Fuck Sakura. Anyway, 10 out
We
of
ain't
10.
going with that either.
This one specifically is not from Walmart. The last one was from Walmart, but this one specifically is from Giant. I thought it didn't come out yet until I went to the store today. I didn't think I said the last price. Oh, actually, I did say the price in the last video. This is like 3 something or 4 something too, with the bonus rewards. You know,
that's cool.
with the bonus rewards.
I don't know how they gonna be home.
I'm taking your car, bro. I'm gonna bring it back in the morning.
I'm
I'm gonna bring it back in the morning. I'm gonna just, I can just tip you a car. Naked. Anyway,
You take his car, just remember this for yourself and kind of fuck it up.
oh no, I'm gonna drive. I'm gonna drive through the woods. I'm gonna drive that one through the woods.
So we're gonna get out of here.
Don't forget cinnamon toast. No, damn. Cinnamon French toast. I was about to say cinnamon toast crunch.
Mm.
Anyway, but yeah. Catch us next time on another Frosted Flakes video if they got another one. Actually, we are. The honey nut and the banana one.
Yep.
Banana cream and the honey nut.
Anything
So-
so, I'm not doing it.
Yes, you are. You like the bananas.
I don't like bananas.
Yes, you do. Then you have a banana earlier from that dude.
What do?
Can I say hi to some people?
Who?
Hi, Mr. Dills. Hi, TC. Hi, Player One. Hi, Mr. Cajun.
You sound like SpongeBob.
Why you say hi, Mr. Oscar?
Cause I see him every time.
You still gonna say hi to him?
Yeah,
Right.
you ain't shouting him out me.
I just said hi to him yesterday.
Say hi to him again
When we had
today.
McDonald's at Youth Group.
Shout
They
him
had
out in the video.
Damn, so all those people you say you never meet that long or meet them that much?
What are you talking about?
The people you just shouted out.
I never met them in person.
Oh. See, now I get what you're saying. I thought you had met them in person.
No.
No.
He met Oscar in person.
Yeah, that's my trainer.
Oh, you said Mr. Deuce. I'm thinking, who?
What y'all talking about?
Catch you in the next. Ooh, you took it hard like that.
Whoa! Alright, anyway.
We gonna get up out of here, Brandon, in the video.